So let's say now I want to create some files and folders to play around a little bit with. I want to create a test folder under the temp directory. The way I can do that is by using the mkdir command. I can type mkdir /tmp/testdir, or you can name it whatever you want. Now I want to create two directories inside each other. So I want to create directory 1, and inside directory 1 I want to create directory 2. But instead of creating each one separately, I can use the -p option. And I can say mkdir-p space /tmp/dir1/dir2. This will create dir1, and then inside dir1 will create dir2. Notice here how we're starting to use options and we're starting to use arguments. Try to identify now in the second command which is the option and which is the argument. Alright, let's say now I want to create a file. To do that, I can use the touch command, and I can say touch space /tmp/test file. Now let me verify that the directories and files have been created successfully. So I'm going to use the cd command that we just been introduced to, and I'm going to change directory to temp, cd space /tmp. And I type ls. We've seen this command very quickly in an example, and it will list the contents of the directory. I can see that dir1 is created, inside it will be dir2, and I can see the test directory created, testdir, and I can see the test file created. So that was super easy.